Hello, the today notification is about NCL 2020 recruitment for the post of technician and foreman vacancies. In this video, I will give the complete information about important dates, syllabus, exam pattern and selection procedure. So don't skip the video. So this is the NCL assistant foreman and technician online form. Total vacancies are 512. And for UR, OBC and EWS, the exam fees is 500. For SC, ST and PWD and department candidates, there is no fees for payment mode through online only. Starting date to apply online 3/8/2020. Last date to apply online 25/8/2020. Tentative date of written test will be intimated later. And minimum age is 18 years, maximum age is 30 years. Age relaxation is applicable to SC, ST, OBC and department candidates as per rules. Here is the vacancy details. Post name assistant foreman, E&T trainee grade C. In total vacancies 7. Education qualification matriculation, diploma or relevant electronics engineering or higher qualification. Post name assistant foreman mechanical trainee grade C. The vacancies is 72. Qualification matriculation, diploma or relevant mechanical engineering or higher qualification. This is supervisory position. And then technician positions. Technician fitter trainee CAT 3rd. Then vacancy details 149. Education qualification is matriculation and ITI fitter. Technician electrician trainee CAT 3rd. Vacancy 174. Education qualification is matriculation and ITI electrician. Post name technician turner trainee CAT 3. Vacancy 19. Qualification matriculation and ITI turner. Post name technician machinist trainee CAT 3. Vacancy 8. Matriculation education qualification is matriculation and ITI machinist. Technician welder, post name technician welder CAT 2. Vacancy 83 vacancies. Qualification matriculation and ITI welder. So here is the vacancies details for all categories for UR, EWS, SC, ST, OBC and total. Selection process. Eligible candidates meeting the minimum eligibility criteria as on the crucial date as specified under this notification. Notification will be required to appear for a written test. The selection will be based on a candidate's relative score in the written test. Candidates will be allowed to appear in the written test merely on the basis of their declaration regarding their eligibility as mentioned in the online application form. Scrutiny and verification of the claims of the candidates of their eligibility for a post applied will be done post declaration of results of the written test. Such scrutiny or verification will be done only for those candidates who shall pass the written test as per the laid down cutoff marks, minimum qualifying marks. Written test will be conducted separately for each of 7 positions as mentioned under table A. The test will be of 100 marks for 90 minutes duration, comprising 2 parts. Part A for 70 marks of technical sections pertaining to the relevant post, and part B for 30 marks for general section. The technical section will consist of questions related to the technical qualifications prescribed in the table A in respect of each position. General section will comprise of questions related to general intelligence, mental ability, aptitude. Detailed syllabus will be published on NCL website separately. The written test will comprise of objective type questions with 4 choices of answer, and there will be no negative marking for any wrong answer. So this is very good news for all aspirants who is really waiting for this notification, because there is no negative marking for any wrong answer. Question booklet in Hindi or English will be provided along with a separate OMR sheet at the start of written examination. Instructions for candidates will be given on the question booklet as well as on the OMR sheet. The written test will be conducted at different centers in district. So selection of candidate in the merit panel will be objected to securing of cutoff marks in the written test for the concerned position with respect to their category as mentioned in table H and fulfilling them. Maximum marks 100. Unreserved categories and EWS economically weak sections, minimum qualifying marks is 50. For other categories SC, ST, ESM, OBC and NCL and PWD candidates 40 marks minimum qualification. So this is all about the NCL 2020 recruitment for technician and foreman vacancies. So the official website link is in video description.